The 1978 Chevy C30 stands as a true workhorse from Chevrolet's iconic C/K truck lineup, built for durability, power, and capability. As a one-ton heavy-duty truck, it was designed to handle tough jobs while maintaining a rugged yet classic appearance. Whether used for hauling, towing, or as a foundation for custom builds, the C30 remains a favorite among enthusiasts and collectors who appreciate vintage American trucks. Under the hood, the 1978 Chevy C30 offered a range of engine options to suit various needs. The base engine was a 250 cubic inch inline-six, but most buyers opted for more powerful V8 options. The popular 350 cubic inch small block V8 produced 165 horsepower and 275 pounds-ft of torque, while the larger 450 cubic inch big block V8 delivered an impressive 230 horsepower and 355 pounds-ft of torque. These engines were paired with a selection of transmissions, including a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, or the durable turbo hydromatic automatic, with its rear-wheel drive setup and optional dual rear wheels. The C30 was a powerhouse built to handle substantial payloads and heavy towing. The exterior design of the 1978 C30 followed Chevrolet's signature square body styling, known for its boxy yet timeless look. The front end featured a bold grille, rectangular headlights, and a wide stance that emphasized its heavy-duty nature. Buyers could choose from various cab and bed configurations, including the popular crew cab and dual rear-wheel setup, which provided enhanced stability when carrying heavy loads. The truck was available in multiple factory color options, with two-tone paint schemes adding a stylish touch. Chrome bumpers and trim packages further enhanced its appeal. Inside the cabin, the Chevy C30 offered a practical yet comfortable environment. The bench seat provided ample space for up to 3 passengers, while crew cab models could accommodate more. The dashboard featured an easy-to-read gauge cluster, simple yet functional controls, and optional upgrades such as air conditioning, an AM/FM radio, and power windows. While designed primarily for utility, higher trim levels like the Silverado package added premium materials, wood grain accents, and additional comfort features, making long drives more enjoyable. The rugged build quality ensured that the interior could withstand years of hard use while maintaining its classic charm. When it was new, the 1978 Chevy C30 was an affordable and reliable option for those needing a heavy-duty truck. Prices vary based on condition, originality, and customization, with well-preserved examples ranging from $15,000 to $35,000. The 1978 Chevy C30 is a testament to Chevrolet's legacy of building tough, dependable trucks that stand the test of time. To see more classic truck reviews, specs, and in-depth features, be sure to subscribe and become part of a passionate community that celebrates automotive history.